So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the image color here on Fotor. So once Fotor is on your screen, I'm going to go and add a photo for this example. And how about I add a photo right here of, I don't know, what's a good example? Maybe the flamingo. We'll use the flamingo example again. So if you want to edit the colors in the photo, press on the image right here, go to where it says adjustment right here, and I want you to go to where it says tint, temperature, and these two options right here. So if you were to slide this tint a little bit more to the left, it'll actually kind of change the photo in regards to its color. So it's making it a little bit more pink, especially in regards to that sky. If you want to make it a little bit more green, you can do that as well. And the temperature, kind of what shade of that you want to go for. So if I wanted to make this image right here and maybe make it a little bit more pink, just like that, there you go. I've now changed the colors in this image, and that's kind of the best way you guys can do that in regards to the color editing with tint and temperature. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the image color here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.